Good morning guys, in front of me is OnePlus Nord 6 and let me show you how to apply dark theme on this device. So whenever you want to protect your eyes a bit or you just prefer dark theme, all you have to do is to enroll the settings, then pick display and brightness, and here at the top of the list you've got light and dark mode. So just mark dark theme to apply it, and that's it. As you can see, it is already set. You can schedule it as well if you want to. Just pick scheduled and then pick the option. And here you've got some dark mode settings, so you can pick the let's say intensity, so you can pick gentle, medium or enhanced, and I'll go with this one. So then you can also adjust wallpapers to dark mode if you want to. As you can see now it's a bit darker. And then you can also activate dark mode for some apps. But that's it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.